Okay, it is now time to tackle today's challenges. This is going to be one of today's challenges.
Hey guys, welcome to Crawly Creepers. Today I'm transferring Luxia's babies into a separate container because while the mom and the babies are sharing the same container, I can't take care of the mom at all. And at that point, she had been without any food for over a month, so it was time to separate them. A smaller container also makes it way easier to feed the babies since the flies can't spread out as much. Now with this many babies, it was not realistically possible to get all of them. This is why I'll be doing it outside. The ones I can't get will be released. Now let's get started.
Now, the first thing I wanted to do, however, is figure out a way to access this to water the spiders and feed them once they're in here, which is something I haven't done with this one, so I wanted to prepare in advance for this one, and I came up with an idea, which I will show you in a second. Actually, it is not my idea. This was an idea that I saw on a channel called Tarantula Haven. He wasn't using Teflon tape as I have done here. He just put a bolt in it. The Teflon tape is making the bolts pretty much exactly the same size as the hole, so I can still pull it out. It's not hard to pull it out, but at least it's holding in place. It's not gonna like shake out of there. Oh, by the way, I think there's 5 in here, baby spiders that I had not seen. I just saw them just by looking at the tank yesterday night. I would see them like climb the sides, so I was like, oh, okay. You know, I knew I had missed some, so I found them that way. So I managed to get them in a separate container. It was too late to get them in this one because I can't really open it anymore. If I open it, I'm gonna lose more, which I don't want. So this is not like a permanent solution. It's just like I needed something to put them in. No babies were harmed during this process, I promise you. So the babies are safe, everything is good, and the fact that it's white makes it easier for me to see if there's a baby standing on it before I pull it out. This way I'm not gonna hurt them. This is chore number 1, considered tackled. This is kind of a weird timing. Oh, there she is.
This was the best shot that I got of it, and she didn't stay there long. It was really fast, but this is a wild fishing spider, a wild baby fishing spider. The same species as my spiders. It's just a little bit older than my spider's babies. I just thought it was funny that I found one just as I'm about to release some.
Alright, this is pretty much the best angle I can give you guys. I'm obviously outside to do this because there's way too many babies. Wish me luck. I'm just thinking I'm gonna keep what I got. I'm just gonna release the rest. The more I try to get more in, the more the ones I got are trying to come out. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like 3 just going towards the phone right now. It's impossible to keep them in. They just keep trying to come out. I think I'm just gonna keep that. Yeah, too bad. This is what it is. This is what I'm keeping. Everything else is getting released. I don't have the patience to do more than that. I'm sorry. There's a ton right now, right here on this moss. There's a lot of them on this. I'm just gonna put that here. No, I'm gonna go put this inside. Look at that line right there. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can see that, but there's several of them on a line. I'm gonna leave this to film as I go inside to get some more moss. And this bucket that the phone is resting on, there's a ton of babies on there as well. Yeah, so I thought of something different. Instead of using moss from inside, I'm just gonna use whatever is around me right now. So branches, leaves. What the? There's a spider in there that looks like a fishing spider, but isn't one of Lux's babies. So I probably brought that one inside the tank by mistake, because these are Lux's babies and this one is just way bigger. I don't know if the phone is picking her up right now. But yeah, no, you don't belong in there. She's the one I just pulled out, she's like at least 3 or 4 molts into her growth. Way more than Lux's babies. Yeah, they don't. What I might have to do is transfer Lux to a different container and just refresh this container, completely redo it from scratch. All right, so I brought back Lux's very first home before she was transferred into that. Sorry, you need to get in there. Please, please. She's on the side of it. She was on my hand for a sec, but she jumped off. She's in. All right. So now we clean up this tank completely. So I know there's a lot of babies still in this web right here. So I'm just gonna drop this somewhere. There's really no perfect way to go about this. I am like I'm just happy I managed to save many of them. Now many of the ones I'm releasing today will not make it, and that's just the natural order of things. Okay, it's time to put Lux back in her tank. So this is how I set it up. It's not identical as before. I brought some more pieces of wood. These are bigger. She's gonna have more like surface area to climb on. And now here's the beautiful girl. Yeah, that's pretty much the best view it can give you guys. This is home. What are you doing? She's climbing up. What are you doing? This is home. There you go. See her? She's on yeah, I can't see her, but I think you guys can. There she is. So I misted the inside of the tank. That's not usual behavior for her. She doesn't usually stay on the side of the tank like that. She's just not familiar with this new landscape. Anyways, I'm gonna give her water, gonna give her some crickets, and call it a day. Look at her exploring. Oh, she just pooped.
All right, this will be all for now. This was quite the task. I honestly hope I don't have to do this again anytime soon. By the way, this was recorded in late July, and a lot has happened since then. But you'll get to see all of it as new videos get posted. I have everything recorded and ready to be edited. All I need is time to do so. So on that, please share your thoughts in the comments. Take care, guys. Bye for now.
Bye.